When solving linear equations, we need to remember to use inverse operations. We want to use the opposite sign or do the reverse. Take this as an example. We want that 3x term to be on its own, so we add 6 to both sides. Remember that whatever you do to the left-hand side, you must do to the right-hand side to keep this balanced. Now we've got that 3x term that we want just solely as an x. So I divide by 3 to both sides again, giving me x equals 5. Have a look at this one. Pause it, have a go. So, take away 5 from both sides. Next step would be to divide by 4 with an answer of y equals -2. You can check your answer at this point by substituting this value back into this equation to see if you get -2 for your answer. It's always a good idea to do if you have extra time at the end of an exam. Have a look at this one. Okay, so first of all, we've expanded the bracket. Now we can go about solving it as we would normally. Plus 15 to both sides, then divide by 10, giving me x equals 3. You can do this if you've noticed that you can divide by the 5 straight away. So we've got the bracket is then equal to 3. Now go about solving it as you would, add 3 to both sides, then divide by 2, gives you x equals 3. You've got the same answer. Have a go at this one. So we've expanded the bracket to begin with. Now I need to look for the smallest unknown term. So we've got 4k and 12k. So first of all we need to work with the smallest. 4k is the smallest out of that, so we do the opposite. I need to take that 4k away from both sides, so I've only got one k term, leaving me this. Now I can go about solving it in exactly the same way as we have done in the start of this video. Plus 4 to both sides, then divide by 8, giving me 4 equals k. Take a look at that last one on the bottom. Okay, so I don't like this fraction to begin with, so that's the first thing I want to get rid of. So I'll do the opposite of divide, which would be times by 4 to both sides again, remember? And I'll go about it as you would. So take away 9 from both sides, then divide by 3, leaving me with s equals 7 as my final answer.